Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Ansari. Now my topic is Israel. Quran says, Qulu qalan sadida, 33/70. Say such a word that will shut down the discussion. So solid word. Dear friends, we are almost 56 Islamic countries in the world. Now we see to compare ourselves to the state of Israel. The total area of Israel, which is equal to our Karachi, and a total population of 20% of our Pakistan. And Israel came into existence 1 year after Pakistan. Now we will talk about Israel's military power. Israel is a small state, and see its power. The military active force is 17 lakhs and reserve force is 45 lakhs, 652 fighter planes and more than 2,600 tanks. And the fact is that all the Muslim countries, including Pakistan, cannot compete with it, cannot defeat it. But according to ourselves, according to our faith, we are Mu'min. We are staunch Mu'min. And Israel is Kafir. Israel is Kafir. Now, listen what Quran says. Listen. Quran says, Antum wal-a'lawna in kuntum mu'mineen. Antum wal-a'lawna in kuntum mu'mineen. You will be superior power if you are indeed mu'min. 3/139. If you are indeed mu'min, you will be superior power. 3/139. Friends, if the Quran is true, and definitely true, then we are liars and disbelievers. We are liars and disbelievers, absolutely disbelievers. How and why we are disbelievers? We will learn from the Quran in the next episode, inshallah. Wassalam.